Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying connectivity and gathering evidence. First, toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data so you rule out a simple radio glitch. This often resolves brief drops. Once done, restart your phone and power cycle the router, waiting about 30 seconds before reboot. That clears cached routing errors. Then open FFmpeg and note the exact error text and timestamp. That information tells you whether the issue is local, ISP, or server-side and determines the next steps. Now you perform deeper local troubleshooting. Clear FFmpeg cache and app data to remove corrupted session tokens. This forces a fresh network handshake. Next, change your DNS to a reliable resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to improve name lookup and reduce drops. Also make sure battery saver, background data limits, and any VPN are disabled, because those features can throttle or reroute packets and cause lag or disconnects during gameplay. If changes help, test in a short match. Finally, validate the network from a diagnostics perspective. Run a speed test and use ping to the regional game server. Watch for high latency or packet loss because those are primary causes of disconnects. Then update FFmpeg and your OS so known bugs and handshake issues are resolved. If problems persist, capture logs, screenshots, and timestamps, and contact support. Include your test results so they can triage quickly. One troubleshooting tip: try a different network. If that works, the problem is your ISP or router.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.